Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest and most innovative automotive tools and technologies. In today's video, we're thrilled to present the Ancel V6 Pro OBD2 Diagnostic tool. This powerful device is a game changer for car owners and mechanics alike, offering a wide range of features to streamline your car maintenance process. The Ancel V6 Pro is a state-of-the-art OBD2 diagnostic tool that allows you to access and analyze the data from your vehicle's onboard computer system. With its user-friendly interface and intuitive controls, this tool makes diagnosing and troubleshooting car issues a breeze. Whether you're dealing with engine problems, ABS, airbag, or transmission issues, the Ancel V6 Pro has got you covered. It supports a wide range of vehicle makes and models, ensuring compatibility and accurate results every time. One of the standout features of the Ancel V6 Pro is its live data stream, which provides real-time information about your vehicle's performance. You can monitor vital parameters such as engine RPM, fuel efficiency, coolant temperature, and more, enabling you to make informed decisions regarding your vehicle's health. The Ancel V6 Pro also offers comprehensive diagnostic capabilities, allowing you to read and clear trouble codes, view freeze-frame data, and perform advanced functions like oxygen sensor testing and component activation. It acts as your personal car doctor, providing you with the necessary information to resolve problems efficiently. Don't just take our word for it. Many professional mechanics and car enthusiasts have already experienced the benefits of the Ancel V6 Pro. Its accuracy, reliability, and ease of use have made it a must-have tool in any automotive toolkit. If you're serious about car maintenance and want to take control of your vehicle's health, the Ancel V6 Pro OBD2 Diagnostic tool is the perfect investment. It empowers you with the knowledge to tackle any car issue confidently and keep your vehicle running smoothly. Thank you for watching this video on the Ancel V6 Pro OBD2 Diagnostic tool. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated with the latest automotive content. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with the Ancel V6 Pro, feel free to leave a comment below.